Hello, welcome to Stella Wood. I am a black West African girl who moved back temporarily to my village. On this channel, I share our culture, lifestyle, tradition, our food, and most importantly, how we cook it. If you are a noodles lover, you want to stick out to the end of this video to see how this noodles is being cooked. And of course, you should try out this recipe. It's so simple yet delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to Stella Ubud if you are someone who loves village adventure, to see everyday village lifestyle, so you will not miss out on all of my village experiences. Noodles are not traditional meals here, but since they were introduced here, villagers have invented a way of cooking it for it to even taste better, delicious, and more healthy. Today, I am cooking these noodles the remote African village traditional way, and I bet you have never seen noodles cooked like this before. If you are a lover of noodles, you want to stick to the end so you can try our recipe. You will enjoy it. Tomato mbisan ge. Yes. Oh yeah. Action. If you are a noodles lover, you want to stick out to the end of this video to see how this noodles is being cooked. And of course, you should try out this recipe. It's so simple yet delicious. So this is the final look. What do you think? Is this actually a hit or a pass for you? Have you ever seen noodle cooked like this before? Let me know. Which part of the cooking did you enjoy most? Just let me know down below. And make sure you like and also subscribe for more cooking videos and also everyday lifestyle from this remote African village. See you in my next video. Bye.